Hello. Not feeling too good today, a little bit under the weather, so I'm gonna be making my special soup, and I thought I'll bring you along and do some groceries with me. So let's go. Wow, it's a beautiful day. It's okay. Right. Leek. Take some leek. Ooh, the last zucchini is mine. Definitely some ginger. $2 for spring onions chopped up. Okay. That looks good. 100% antibiotic free, credited free, raised on a vegetable diet, no added hormones. Let's give it a go. So I asked the guy if there were any more squash. There's no more at this time right now, so we'll have to do without. Yeah, so no squash. Sad. Okay. So I just got back now. I want to change into some very comfy clothes. I don't want to be wearing jeans in the house or anything like that. So I'm going to change and we'll start cooking. Alright, I'm back. Now change into comfy, super comfy clothes. And now we can start cooking. I knew that I already had celery. I'm going to put that there. And we already had carrots. I think 1.5 might do. So we have celery, we have leek, move aside, zucchini, carrots, potato, and some chicken for protein. You would also have squash, but we didn't have any, so unfortunately we're gonna have to make without. And now we're gonna have garlic, ginger, and I'm gonna get onions. So I like to chop all my vegetables in order of how I'm going to cook it, so just follow my lead. I have 2 bowls here, so one for my bin and one to with my vegetables. So let's begin. I'll make sure not to cut this, I would call it the head or the, I don't know, but it keeps the onion layers together. And how to get a perfectly diced onion, so you would go this way. You can go as thin as possible. And not one more. And then I'm gonna cut it this way. 1, 2. Let's see if I can get 3 out of this. 3. And then we nicely chop it really fine. And a note on that, once onion is cut, don't cut it again. Don't chop it on the board because you're gonna release the juice on the chopping board and, well, it's waste. And I'm gonna actually leave it whole in there. That's done. Or maybe a little bit more. Now I'm going to wash the vegetables. So we need to wash these. Definitely make sure that every leaf is clean. You can see it here. And there's a bit of dirt. Celery. Alright, now that we've prepared the base of the soup only, we're gonna add all of this into a pot and let it simmer with some olive oil and the chicken. Olive oil. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, okay? Let's try it. It's on full. Alright, I had to put the camera down because I'm operating heavy machinery. We have, let me show you, the carrots, the leek, the celery. This is the celery leaves that I'm gonna, you know, just for flavor at the end when the soup is ready. And the chicken, so I removed the skin, clean, washed them, and this is all going as the base. Chop the carrots. Come on, let me do it. Celery. I'm getting chicken. That's green. And there. Woo! Hallelujah. I can put this down now. Give it a good stir. Let me show you how it's looking. And I'm gonna reduce it on a really low heat because we got some more chopping to do. Have to keep in mind that we have something on the stove, so I'm trying to work as fast as I can so that my food doesn't burn in there. You want to know? Potatoes. So it's already releasing its own juices, see? So that's great. I'm gonna add the rest now. Alright, I've actually swapped pots because this is way too big. So if I move this here, you can see definitely that it's sweating. Now what we need to do is add a little bit of water. What I'm going to do is transfer this now into a jug. There you go. And we're gonna let it simmer for maybe like 30 minutes and see how it looks. In the meantime, I'm going to clean this mess. So let's see how this is going. See how it's literally absorbing all the liquid, and the chicken is cooking away nicely, so it will be really tender, melting in your mouth. Ooh. So at this stage you want to add water. Simmer away. Okay, now that it's bubbling away, we need to skim everything that's on top. I think it's fine now. And you will note that no salt or pepper has been added as yet. We will do that by the end of this recipe. Okay, just a few variations to help people out. This soup right now is gluten-free. I don't have any carbs in there except for potato, which is a good carb, no gluten whatsoever. But sometimes I like to add some crisp noodles. This is the one I use. Escal Zahav, extra thin noodles, so they're quite crisp. So I boil them separately in a different pot and then add them at the end. I also use Barilla sometimes. There is only one. I think it looks cute in the soup. It looks like rice literally. So I like to boil that and add it at the end as well. So if you want something a little bit more substantial, or you just like the taste, well, go ahead and add it. So I think that's what I wanted to share with you. You could also add celeriac, but I haven't ventured into celeriac yet. I've seen that it's been used quite a fair bit in soups, but I don't know. Don't you think when you look at celeriac, it looks like this naughty brain from the Ninja Turtle? The naughty brain, that's what I think whenever I think of celeriac. Naughty. So let's have a look at how the soup is going. Okay, so I'm gonna skim a little bit. Time to salt. Do you like pepper? I love pepper so much. You can see that, yeah, the vegetables are fully cooked. Look at that. And the chicken also. So now I'm gonna actually taste. Divine. It actually needs a little bit more salt. That's just my preference. Just gonna add a little bit more salt. Ugh. I could drink it by the gallon. Wash and taste again. Can I eat it now? Okay, let's ladle that soup into a nice bowl. Alright, time to serve this dish. I'm gonna ladle ever so gently, gracefully. Ooh. Ooh, yummy. And to finish it off, I'm gonna garnish it with some celery. Wow! Done! Well, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. I will write it down in the description for you so you won't forget anything. This is my signature Rebecca's winter soup, and I think it's super healthy. I need to find a better title for it. So it's like Rebecca's super healthy winter warmer. How about that? A bit too long. Rebecca's winter soup is fine. So hope you try it and let me know if you find it really yummy. I think it's very yummy and nutritious, and yeah, you will want more. You want some more. Let me know if you like this type of videos. I'm happy. Oh, my dishwasher. I'm happy to do some more for you. I've got a lot of recipes up my sleeve, and I would like to share them with you. So let me know. Like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.